Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. As you can see, after the boxing match, they were peeing up as hell. Francine in my room, I will have vibe. And this is after the boxing match, you see me? You big up yourself, I said that first and foremost. You want man to step in a ring, but me discipline you like a mongrel dog. As you can see in the last vlog, the boxing match was awesome. Everything goes planned. We never have no problem. Big up everybody who was forward though. If you think this is something you want to see continuously, like and leave a comment about the whole event and them something. Because I try to continue this thing with me, Savage, Ricky, and Marissa friend, you know already know, you see me? Meds, Binky promotion, all of that. So, if you want to be a part of it, I'm going to leave an email in the description. ASKTRABASS@gmail.com. You can send me an email if you don't want to be a part of the boxing match, you see me? Because we have a next one forward up. As you know already, if you don't follow me on Instagram, me and Hero have a rematch. And you see this rematch, it's not going to be a boy thing, you see me? Be a big man. The game step up now, you see me? Because from me knock out Hero, I see my make beer talk. I talk about suing. And a bag of little things, when him go live, him just run him out. So if you don't want to see me discipline him again, you don't forward the next match. Now the next match, we are planning to get a bigger venue, a real ring, tickets, all of that. Someone need to watch the last live with the boxing match. Yo, we plan this thing in a 3 day. You see me? So, when I watch back the live, I notice the live never did too look good. Because I made deal with the boxing match, we are fight. So I never have no time for really sit down and pray. A whole heap of message me see where I said the sound or the half and all of that. But don't worry. The next match you have, we have the streaming thing started out already. We have the website feed and everything. But trust me, the next one is going to be bigger. So if you don't want to be a part of it, in the description, I'm going to leave an email. You can leave the information and contact me about this whole event. And today I'm going to cook some dirty girl and rice. You see me? Hero, this is my victory meal. Victory meal. Breakfast, me say. For the boxing match. If you wasn't there, you miss it, dog. I'm not lying. The video, the highlights, them alone. Oh my god. But this is today's winning meal. All my Jamaicans know this dish. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Francine right there. And I'm right here. Yo, I know what I'm going to say. Music TV for me real quick there.
Hold on.
I know what I'm going to say. Oh, Francine. We're going to see Francine in a minute. Francine did sick. She good now. So, me assure her. And I like the media flag, I never really did 2 days. I'm there now, you see me? So, we don't get to see Francine, because lately, them night vlog, I don't really want to vlog a night no more. Maybe till the day come, then I vlog. But Francine right there, she's doing a little bit of editing on her computer, you know? But, I have some good news to tell you. Just know, some good news are forward. We have a second boxing match forward too. And I can't tell you who are going there. You have to just look out for that, you see me? But we're going to go up on the road right now, go grab some food. Last night I drop asleep. I didn't want to continue to vlog them, so when I get 2 vlogs in one. Last night I drop asleep after me that chat to you, I will cook up the food them and all of that. We go to bed. Watch a movie, we go to bed. But we have some good news forward. We have more content coming soon. And this week, surprise me. As you can see right now, I'm there at the supermarket. I do little shopping, you know. And thing. I buy a hot plate because I want to start cook. Like when we go out on the road, go do trips and them something. I want to buy a hot plate because I have a plug in my car, we can plug a hot plate. Big up to Famous. Famous, you know, check out Famous Instagram page. He might do some cooking in a hotel room. We use one of them here. As me say, you remember me tell you in the last vlog them before. He might do some video where I'm cooking in a hotel them while him there at work. You can go check out him Instagram page, Famous Soul Sick. Me definitely buy a hot plate because I start cook hard now. You see me? Could them probably cook up some chicken wings or potato. And potato. You see me? Probably fries or mashed potato. I don't know yet. But here I run off him mouth saying I'm going to sue me. Me just see a video from last night saying I'm going to sue me. You know watch ya?
Yeah, me have sitting here and me Trabass stop me and me throat. You see? Me like how everybody has said Trabass knock me out. So when the blood clot last suit ready, nobody not said Trabass not knock me out. Me you notice me not say nothing. Trabass knock me out. Yes. Me have a blood clot last suit ready. A pip here. The lawyer said anytime next weekend. Me just find him blood clot address and we just post it in it. So all who say Trabass knock me out. Yes, Trabass knock me out. Yes, everything good. Me no worry myself and me no say nothing. Knockout go on. Everybody around with the video did it when them post it on the YouTube and everything. So when the lawsuit blood clot forward and me start sue people. Nobody no say even I get knocked out. Me love one up. You notice me no post nothing. Me no post nothing, you know. So when the blood clot lawsuit drop, hey. I want blood clot lawsuit a drop. Sue me and sue people. So I'll lose. I'll know me not say me no lose, you know, me lose. Yeah. So anybody did I say Trabass knocked me out and this and that? Yes, he did. I saw one blood clot, so everybody did testify, alright. So yes man, Trabass knocked me out, man. So no, so me have a head concussion, so that me a sofa. Alright.
So vlogger, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Me and Francine there, she there over there, so we're just a forward off our road. And me have a lot to tell you where I go on in our works. Whole heap of vlogs are dropped this week. So I have to drop that vlog here. If I can know vlogs coming. I had some things sorted out this weekend and this week, so I'll never get that much vlog apart from the boxing match and thing. But more content coming soon. And I try to switch up the thing and plan a bigger event for the boxing match and add more people to it and more special guests and all them niceness. Me and Francine about to reach home. I'm about to edit this before I go to bed so y'all could watch it in the morning. But this week, I'm literally gonna push myself to do some little comedy video for now. You see me for Instagram and TikTok, because I'm on TikTok now. They banned me, but I'm on TikTok now. But my Francine just reached home. And voice me did for tell him again. I try remember. Just look out, content coming soon. More movies. And yeah, I do it for vlog. So mother upon say, me I try remember what I tell you. Now I click now. Or probably in the next vlog me tell you now. But we run over everything so far. And next boxing match I forward up with more people. And content will come soon. And grandmother upon herself. Look what she there do. I play Sims. So go and do it for your vlog. Mother upon herself and thing.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.